Hi, excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, not at all. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
My name is Chen, by the way. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Chen. I'm Cedric.
So, Cedric, are you from around here?
Yes, I am. I've lived in this city for about 10 years. What about you?
I actually moved here just 2 months ago.
Really? How are you liking it so far?
I'm enjoying it. Everything is new, so I'm still exploring the city.
That's exciting. What brought you here?
I recently started a new job.
Congratulations. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds creative.
I really enjoy it. Every project is different, so my work never feels boring.
That's great. I work as a software engineer.
Oh, really? Do you enjoy your job?
I do. I enjoy solving problems and building new applications.
It sounds challenging.
Sometimes it is, but that's what makes it interesting.
I completely understand.
So, tell me a little more about yourself.
Well, I'm 26 years old, and I grew up in a small town near the coast.
That must have been beautiful.
It really was. I miss the beach sometimes.
I would too.
What about you?
I'm 28 years old. I grew up here in the city.
Have you always liked city life?
Mostly, yes. I like having restaurants, parks, and everything close by.
I can understand that.
How would you describe yourself?
That's a good question.
Take your time.
I'd say I'm friendly, curious, and patient.
Those are wonderful qualities.
Thank you. What about you?
I describe myself as calm, hardworking, and optimistic.
Optimistic people are always nice to be around.
I try to see the positive side of things.
That's a great attitude.
Thank you.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy going to the gym, hiking, and reading books.
I love hiking too.
Really? What's your favorite place to hike?
Anywhere with mountains and beautiful views.
We have several great hiking trails near the city.
I'll definitely have to visit them.
What else do you enjoy?
I like photography.
That's interesting.
Whenever I travel somewhere new, I always bring my camera.
Do you prefer photographing people or nature?
Mostly nature and city streets.
Nice.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly self-improvement books and biographies.
I enjoy mystery novels.
Those are fun too.
Especially when you can't guess the ending.
Exactly.
Are you a morning person?
Not really.
Me neither.
I need at least 1 cup of coffee before I can fully wake up.
Only one.
Usually 2.
That sounds more realistic.
What about you?
Tea is my morning drink.
That's healthier.
Maybe.
Do you like traveling?
I love it.
What's your dream destination?
Japan.
That's on my list too.
Really?
Yes, I'd love to experience the culture and try the food.
Same here.
Have you traveled to many countries?
Only a few, but I hope to visit many more.
Traveling teaches us so much.
It really does.
Besides work, what's one goal you're working toward right now?
Improving my English and becoming more confident when speaking.
That's a great goal.
What about you?
I'm trying to improve my public speaking skills.
That can be challenging.
Yes, but every presentation gets a little easier.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly.
If your friends described you, what would they say?
They'd probably say I'm reliable and always willing to help.
That's a wonderful reputation to have.
Thank you.
My friends would probably say I'm cheerful and always planning something.
That's not a bad thing.
I suppose not.
This has been a really nice conversation.
I was thinking the same thing.
It's not every day you meet someone so easy to talk to.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
I'm really glad I asked if this seat was available.
Me too.
Hopefully we'll meet again sometime.
I'd like that.
It was lovely meeting you, Cedric.
Likewise, Chen. Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.